Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Fatima Technology Wali and I am a lead facilitator in Ryan School Lahore campus. Today our guest is Dr. Sasan. So first of all I warmly welcome to my interview and thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me and nice meeting you.
Okay, thank you very much. So first of all I want to this please give me an introduction.
I am the founder and president of a skincare line called Blessed Healing Remedy. My website is bhrskincare.com. And I have natural botanical herbal products in my line, and they're good for any ages and any kind of skin types that you may have. So, yes, all of my products are natural. There's no chemical, harsh chemicals. There's no synthetic fragrance. There's no GMO, no animal testing, and it's clean product line. So check us out.
Okay, great. I think so. Your products are good and amazing. So, first of all, my first question is that how did your profession start for skin care related?
Well, years ago, I developed a body cream for myself, and it worked really well. And I was providing that for my friends and family, and they all loved it and told me, "Why don't you take it out to the market?" But at the time, I was busy with my career in healthcare and didn't have time to spend, developing and bringing the product out to the market. So I waited a while, and then a few years ago, I decided to do this. And I started out with one product, and right now I have 24 products in my line. That's
Okay, great. So my next question is that how your products can work on other skins because no, because things are not be suitable for our face skin because our skin is very sensitive. So which so sensitive skin, what product will be your advice for other one that we will use our skin
yes.
for skin whitening?
I have actually I have a few products that are very good for very sensitive skin. If you have rosacea, redness, eczema on the skin, things like that, I do have a soothing cleanser that is really good for your face to clean the pores out, and it's very calming. And I also have a calming serum that I highly recommend to use. Calming serum, it actually calms the skin down and it gives you the nutrients, the moisture that your skin needs, hydration, hyaluronic acid, all of that. I also have a very good face mask called Aloe Mask, and it really has a calming effect. You put it on and it just calms your skin down really well. I have some people that they do have um, irritability and skin issues that are using that product right now. So I highly recommend it.
Okay, great. You recommended mask and other things. Your brand things are available in Pakistan.
Well, it's online. I have an online store. Right now, I'm only shipping to the US, but at some point, I would like to be global and be able to ship all around the world. But right now, it's only being shipped to the US.
Okay, great. Currently, you have not, and I currently Pakistani people have not access to buy your products. Am I right?
It's yeah, I am not set up to send products out of the USA right now, but that's in my plan for the future to open it up to the whole global availability.
Okay. So my next question is that my skin is very oily and in summer in current condition of Pakistan my skin is dusty and my color is very dull. So which face wash you recommended me?
I recommend using Remove Cleanser. It is a green looking product, and what it does is wipes out all the dirt and the oil that comes out of your skin pores and cleans it out really well. And then there's a toner that I recommend. It's called Wrench and Toner. It's an orange bottle with the spray. You can either spray on your face or you can put it on a cotton ball, damp cotton ball, and just wipe your entire face and neck. And it um, not only takes the impurities away, but it also puts the hydration back to your skin. So I highly recommend that for people with having, oily skin and issues like that.
Okay, great. So my next question is that how many countries do you have visit?
How many? I'm sorry, what?
How many countries do you have visit?
How many countries have I visited?
Yes,
Um, I've
yes.
I've been through a lot of different countries in my lifetime. I haven't traveled out of the country the last few years yet, though. But I have been through most of Europe. I have been in the Middle East. I have been all around. I've traveled all around. And I'll put it back on my calendar, hopefully to try it
Okay,
again.
okay. And which country do you like most?
Well, since I live in the US right now, I like living in this country. I find things a lot easier and, things are more available, for people. So I'm used to it. And so that's probably, that would be my favorite right now. But I love visiting, European countries and experience different cultures and things like that as well.
Okay, great. So my next question is that tell me your favorite thing that you would be prefer in your life.
My focus right now is on developing my skincare brand and expanding and scaling. And so that is my vision, hopefully, within the next few years to be able to help as many people as I can, and to be able to expand and grow and increase visibility throughout the world. So that's my vision for the the future. That's what my goal is, and that's where my focus is right now.
Okay. And have you created any website for skincare brand?
The website is bhrskincare.com. If you go through the website, it has description of every product. It has a education page for people to talk about skin types and how to take care of skin and things like that. I have bundling available for different products to put together and save. Anyone that subscribes to our website, it gives them the first order, you'll get a 15% off. But I also have a lot of sale items on the website right now that we're giving even more percentage off for people who want to purchase. So yeah, I recommend check it out.
Okay, great. So my next question is that have you need any demo website for your skincare brand? Have you need
Do I need?
have you need any website for your skincare care brand?
I just talked about my website. It's bhrskincare.com. As
Yes,
it's
yes.
a
Have you need more website for demo?
um no, I mean the website has everything in it. And I do have a lot of videos and reels that we put on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, things like that. And then we talk about the products and how to use it, and so we're all over on social media.
Okay. So my next question is that for oily skin, which product you recommended?
Well, I recommended your cleanser before and the toner. And if you need a moisturizer, you can use the Hydro Restore moisturizer. That's good for normal to really, or just it's being used for all skin types. But the cleanser, the hydration, the hydrate product, and also the Hydro Restore moisturizer is great for someone like your skin type to use.
Okay. And which face wash do you recommend it for Pakistan people because your brand is not in Pakistan?
I'm sorry,
So which face wash you recommend it for people?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
Sorry, what you say?
Can you repeat, please?
I would. Yes, yes, I can repeat my question. I want to be say that.
Oh, I just lost you. I just lost you. The sound is off. Okay, you're coming back up. Can you say something?
You hear me?
Now I can hear you. Yes.
Okay, so I said that your brand is not in currently in Pakistan. So which face wash you recommended for me? Because my skin is very dusty and my color is being dull day by day, and I use Pond face wash, and I don't know what face wash being I be used. So recommendation for me
Yeah,
what face wash I being be used for my skin.
yeah, I did answer this already. But the face wash that I recommend for you is the Remu cleanser. It's a green face wash. And when you use things over the counter, you have to be careful because there's a lot of harsh chemicals in them, and you want to make sure not to put that on your skin because everything gets absorbed through your pores in the skin. So I highly recommend using more organic, natural, botanical products. And if you're ever in the U.S. and you want to try, I highly recommend my Rimu cleanser, RIMU cleanser. There's a lot of static in
Okay,
the
you would be.
sound.
Okay, you would be prefer on organic face washes and organic things.
Yeah, it's too much static.
Okay, organic things are too much better.
There's a lot of static. I can't hear you.
Okay, okay. So my next question is that which thing do you prefer in your profession?
What? I'm sorry, what was the question?
Question is that which thing do
Too
you
much
prefer
static. I
in
can't
your
hear.
profession?
Say it again.
Sorry, what you say?
Say it again, please.
Okay, I will repeat my question. Yes, yes, I can say. Which thing you prefer in your profession?
What thing do I prefer in my profession?
Yes,
What do you mean thing? Like what?
like your honesty, your brand
Yeah, okay.
things, your productivity.
Yes.
Which thing?
Yes. Well, when it comes to leadership, you have to have core values. You have to be able to be, as honest as you can be, reliable, trustworthy. You have to be able to gain the trust of the people that work for you, and you also have to have the trust of people that are using your products. So that, to me, the core value is the basis of my profession, and that's how I build my company on and be able to give back to people as much as I can. So core values are very, very important to me.
Okay, great. And what do you know about leader?
Well, I own my company. My company is what you know, I spend most of my time with. But I also serve as the chief pharmacy officer for another company called esperhealth.ai. So I am on board with that, but most of my time is spent with developing my own company and my own line of skincare.
Okay, great. And which thing do you like in your company?
Um, what do I like in my company? Which one? The skincare or the
Yes.
okay. Well, I use my anti-aging formulas for myself. Once you reach a age of 40 and above, I recommend the anti-aging line. I have great serum, anti-aging firming serum, and anti-aging firming cream. And I love the eye cream that I have. It's a lifting eye cream, and it's a very gentle eye cream that you put around the eye area, and it keeps your skin from getting a lot of crow's feet around the eyes. And I also use my antioxidant oil cleanser for myself, and I use the hydrating toner on my skin as well. So those are my main products that I use. But I also switch to different serums and different products regularly so that I can kind of use everything and make sure that I experience all the goodness out of all the products.
Okay, great. So my next question is that all the products that we can be used for ourselves, and the products are not being work good. So what we can do?
You have to be careful what you put on your skin because everything absorbs. And so I recommend that you read the ingredients, make sure that the products are healthy and clean, and natural. And that's what I provide for my customers. I want to make sure that I have a clean line, and I want to make sure that the products are as soothing as they can be and be able to give the expected results that I've been talking about. So try all of my products are natural and organic, and there's no toxic chemical anything in it. So that's what I recommend for people to use. I have room for one more question, and that's
Okay.
it.
Sorry, what do you say?
I only have time for one more question.
Okay. I want to. I want only your 5 to 6 minutes only, and I have more much questions, but the time is too much short.
Okay, what's the next question?
Okay, so my next question is that how do you ensure the safety and effectiveness of your skincare products?
We put it through clinical testing. We test different types of processes. We test it for stability to make sure that it maintains its integrity and content. We um, we leave a length of time for us to do all the clinical testing on the products to make sure that they are safe and effective. And so that is a big part of our part of my company to make sure that every product that I bring out to the market has gone through all the testing to make sure it's effective and safe.
Okay, and what challenges do you face in your skincare brand?
I don't really have challenges right now. I do have sensitive skin, but all of my products, I'm able to use it on myself, and I have no problem with any of them. So I highly recommend using the products that are very natural. very, very good products.
Okay. So my next question is that who is your skincare line designed for you?
The skincare line designed for all ages and all skin types. Anyone can use my products.
Okay. And what challenges do you face in your skin brand? Because my thought is that if you open a brand for any country, that you face different challenges in your life, and you can resolve these challenges, and your brand is being not being run in your startup. If we start a business, that the business will not be run properly,
Right.
so you face different a lot of challenges, and even I start a business for web developing, and I can work on this, but I would be faced many more challenges. Some people said they did not do this best, and some said that you give up, and all about this people are talking too much, and we are being stressed and depressed. So what would be you face challenges in your field?
Well, I think that when you start a new business, you're always facing a lot of different challenges. You have to be patient, you have to be persistent, you have to follow up, and you have to make sure that your team have you have the respect of your team because we all have to have the same vision. And in anybody that you bring onto your platform, you need to make sure that they see your vision, they respect you, and they trust you and what you're trying to do. So, with being persistent, not give up, and do the right things, just kind of follow through all of it, and that's how I came over some of the challenges that I was facing.
Okay. You give me a great advice because I have faced many much challenges, but I can do my best, and I create many more websites that will be full on working, and I can being used proper roadmap. So my next question is that my skin is too much be sensitive because I want to apply any makeup products on my skin, and my eyes is too being short, and my eyes is too much short, and darkness around them around my eyes are too much. So what your recommendation for me?
Well, the eye cream that I have in my line, it's called Lifting Eye Cream. I highly recommend using the eye cream around the eye area. It is very gentle, but yet it's very effective. And when you,
For dark circle, this cream we being used.
I'm sorry?
For dark circles, this cream we being
Yeah,
used.
well, just make sure that when you have dark circle, don't put your finger on your eye too hard. Don't press it too hard. Every time you press against your skin, it creates, lines or wrinkles or darkness and things like that. So you just have to, be careful and gentle around the eyes. And some people just have them hereditary. But there are products out there that you can put on top of your eye area to cover the darkness. But I don't sell makeup. I only sell skincare. So
Okay.
yeah.
Now I want to be say that give me because I use makeup on my face, and my eyes is too much being short already. My eyes is too much short, too much small, and I apply makeup on my face, and my eyes is too being small. So I want to discuss this reason with you, and you give me great advice for my eyes and for my skin tone. So thank you very much for your advising and for your reaching out.
Thank you.
So last my question is that please give me a message with my audience.
Um, I think that everybody from the age of 18 and up, as mature adults, we need to make sure that we take care of our skin from a very young age. So as we get older, we can just carry it through life. Make sure that you read all the ingredients on products that you use. Make sure that you're not putting anything toxic on your skin, and take good care of your skin. A good cleanser, a good toner, serum, good moisturizer, eye cream, all of that is very important for your face and neck and décolleté area. So I highly recommend taking good care of your skin from a very young age, so that when you get older, you can just carry it through your life. And thank you so much for having me on your show.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us today, and we are being very happy for your time and for your inspiration. Thank you very much once again. Thank you for joining us
Thank
today. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.
you. Thank you.